Hello everyone, this is YouTube Ken. I'm back with another video. I told you I would make a video talking about the things I love about my Tesla. Also watch my previous video of what I do not like about my Tesla Model 3. Keep in mind there are more EVs coming out that are exciting as well, but right now we are focused on what I like about my 2021 Tesla Model 3. Number one, the purchasing experience. No going to the dealership, wasting a day of my life trying to get the best deal on a vehicle and trying to not only get sold on purchasing a vehicle, but the extended warranties as well. Yes, I had my own financing, making sure everything was in line before the delivery day, but I'll take doing that sitting on the couch than getting hounded by a car salesman. I'm over literally sitting at a dealership for hours upon hours. Number two, the looks. I can't really explain the looks. It's just a great looking car. It's bold, it's sporty like. There is glass everywhere. The top of the glass is all glass. Even when the pillar in the middle is still glass above that. Before I ceramic coated it, the professional at the shop did not find any imperfections in the paint, so the paint quality is getting better, clearly. Number three, very minimalistic. Everything besides the buttons to get out the car and the scroll wheel on the steering wheels is controlled by the 15-inch touchscreen. Everything, including the glove box. I honestly don't mind it, especially putting a pin on the glove box, which I can put vehicle registration, car insurance, and of course like Sentry Mode USB stick as well. Side note, it's nice Tesla included a 128GB USB stick. Number four, no oil changes. I have always hated getting my oil changed. Tesla requires no fuel filters, spark plug replacements, hell even brake pads replacements are rare due to like the one pedal driving. For now, all I have to worry about is just windshield washer fluid, balance and wheel alignments, getting my tires rotated. Of course, as the miles go up, I will have to do some recommended maintenance like I think brake fluid test every 2 years, air conditioning service, but that's like I think every 6 years, winter care every 12 months or 12,500 miles. Of course, the tires need to be replaced. I have to do that as well. You get the point? I thought so. Number five, no gas. If you don't know, now you know. It's all electric. High gas prices, who cares? I barely even know right now what the gas prices are. It's very convenient having a charging solution at home. I have a video for that as well if you would like to check it out. It could become more inconvenient for you though if you have to rely on the supercharger network or third-party chargers all the time. Anyway, I'm sure you get the point. Number six, car tags. I was surprised that my tags are good for 5 years, and guess how much it was? Wait for it. $144, 5 years. Come on, man. Just think about how much you spend on your tags yearly and see how much savings I have already had just with the tags. Number seven, storage capacity. Storage is pretty good in a sedan like the Model 3 at its size. I think it has a 15 cubic foot trunk, and also there's a small space underneath that as well. But it also has a front trunk, or whatever you want to call it, or frunk, where an engine would go. However, it depends on your family size. The Model 3 might still be too small. You might have to look at the Model Y for more space. Number eight, the number of cameras and sensors around the car. These cars have 8 cameras, 1 radar, and 12 ultrasonic sensors. I don't know about you, but that's a lot of cameras and sensors. Number 9, speaking of sensors and cameras, this car is rated 5 stars by NHTSA, which stands for National Highway Traffic Safety Administration. Number 10, this leads into the next thing I love about Teslas, and of course it's software. This car is honestly a computer on wheels, and it will get better with time. just to go through a few things, this car has a 15-inch iPad-like screen. I get a free year of premium 4G LTE connectivity, so my car is like always connected when I'm away from home. That really enables me to like browse the web, watch Netflix, Hulu, YouTube, etc. It literally gets software updates. Let's just say the car has gotten better over time since I picked it up in December. Tesla can really like manage things or improve things by just pushing a software update out. Come on. Does it sound familiar? Smartphones, but this is not a smartphone. This is a car. Number 11, sound system. If you pick the premium package, you get 14 speakers, 1 subwoofer, 2 amps, and immersive sound. I'm gonna tell you now, it sounds pretty good. I'm not an audio guy, but there is no distortion in the music at its max volume. I have compared this to the Standard Range Plus that I rented off Turo, which does not come with the premium package, but it sounds great as well. It really does. Number 12, your phone is the key. You are provided 2 additional like hotel-like credit card keys, like to gain access to your car, to unlock it. So no more jingling keys. Check this out. If I'm 1,000 miles from my car, I can pull up the app and see so many things with my car. If someone is driving it, I know how fast they're going. I can limit how fast they're going. I can see when they are in drive, reverse. I can locate where they are on the map. I can basically stalk them. So be careful when you are renting someone's Tesla off like Turo or just borrowing a friend's vehicle. I'm just saying. To summarize that up, basically it's OnStar on steroids. The Tesla app is limited, I would say, but there are many other third-party apps that will complement the Tesla app and unlock even more information you can consume, not only on smartphone, but on a smartwatch as well. Number 13, Tesla superchargers. They're just cool. You can take a break from driving and just relax and watch a movie. They fast and they are placed conveniently in like locations where you can just sit in your car, watch a TV show, movie, or just browse the web. You can go places and eat. And also they're just really fast. You can probably get a lot of charge in probably 15 to 30 minutes. It's really fast network, I would say, and I'm sure they're gonna improve that in the future. Number 14, the Tesla community. I can't really explain, but really it is a community. I'm sure there are bad people who owns Teslas, but there are a lot of good people. We respect each other and genuinely excited for one another when we purchase a Tesla. The community is there for you if you have questions about your car, including the trolls. Hell, I'm making videos about it right now and responding to comments if people ask questions. One example for this community, when I'm driving on the road and another Tesla owner is there, they wave kind of like truck drivers do on the interstate when they flash their lights to other truck drivers whenever they're getting into the lane. I can't really explain it, but I like it. Number 15 is Autopilot FSD full self-driving. I really like this feature because the car drives itself using all of the cameras and the sensors and the radar like I explained earlier. I get it. It's a beta and not level 5, but it still does a great job. I have had this car for 4 months and it seems like every time I see it or just drive it, it never gets old. This is just weird to me because like out of all the vehicles I've purchased, and there have been a lot of them, I have never felt like this. This sounds like a Tesla commercial actually, but it's true. Hopefully you all enjoyed this video, and if you're thinking about purchasing a Tesla Model 3, Y, S, or X, I will leave my referral link in the description below so you can receive 1,000 miles or 1,500 kilometers depending on where you are in the world. Check out my other content on my channel, and if you enjoy it, please hit that subscribe button and like button. Please leave me a comment as well. I love to read and respond to comments on my channel. This is YouTube Ken. I'll see you in the next video.